Hey everyone, today we will take a look at this interesting box here, which I have got for like 4 months ago. If you have ever served in a US submarine during World War II till the 1960s, I guess you know what's inside here. So without any other description, let's open it up. I have previously unlocked this lock here for convenience. Okay, let's open it here. Oh, this one here. Alright. Do you know what's inside this one here? And it has a instruction book here and a connection wire. Okay. So let's first take out this thing here. Do you know what this thing here is? I will let you guess for a while. It has a battery inside here. It has 2 holes for that plug wire or jumper wire. And it has a neon bulb here. Alright, let's put it aside first. This is the main instrument we have. So, if you have any memory of my previous video, you might make out what this thing here is. Okay? Let's put it aside as well first. Okay, let's see what we get here. Here are just some cleaning tools. Alright, here is a wrench. Okay, a very tiny wrench. I don't understand what this metal strip at the bottom side is used for. Okay, actually I think they have lost one tool here, maybe a screwdriver. And here is another wrench. Okay. Here is a glass bottle. But what is very interesting is that the ceiling is intact. Okay, the ceiling is intact, but the fluid has gone. Okay, that's very surprising. Actually, when I saw it's empty, I didn't try to open this cup up until like 5 minutes ago. I opened this cup and I discovered the ceiling is still intact. Very interesting and surprising. Okay, what we get here is actually a spare part for that neon bulb. It's made by General Electric, 125 volts and a quarter watt. Okay, just a spare part. Okay, and what we get here are some cotton, like cleaning clothes. Okay, very old. Okay, let's take a look at the instruction here. Okay, now you understand what this thing actually is. Okay, and I think it's made by the same company of this pressure gauge here, which I have shown in my previous video. Okay, but what is the biggest difference is that this thing is equipped with a neon bulb indicator. Okay, I will let you actually read the manual for this pressure gauge if you are interested in that. Okay, you can just stop to read it. Okay. So actually, this pressure gauge is used on the Fairbanks Morse opposite piston 38-8 1/8 diesel engine. It has a stroke of 38 inches and a cylinder diameter of 8 inches plus 1/8. Okay. You see the electric contact which will operate that neon bulb indicator. The neon flasher, it goes like that. And the 2 wrenches which will be used for this assembly, this lower part of the gauge. So actually inside this flasher, they have a D-sized battery, a post transformer which is actually located here because I have disassembled this one yesterday for changing the battery, and the bulb there. And actually I can show you what will happen when it's in operation. Okay. What you need to do is that you connect this flasher. Okay, it's not quite convenient while shooting the video here. Okay, you connect this flasher through the jumper wire to these 2 plug holes on the pressure gauge. Okay, since I can't operate on an engine, I will just short it like this. You can see that it's interesting how the neon bulb is constructed. Okay, you can see there are 2 half semicircle electrodes, and each of the DC cycle, only half of them will be lit up. Okay, so actually you can see that, oh, sorry for the focus. Okay, you can see that when the connects are closed, 1/2 of the neon bulb electrode will be lit. When it opens, the other half will be lit due to the transformer. Okay. Actually, the inductance or the magnetic flux decreasing created a high voltage pulse when you disconnect the circuit as well. Okay, so let me show you the actual gauge here. Okay, let me just, excuse me for a little bit while. Okay, so this thing here is very new. Okay, it seems that it hasn't been used too heavy, no too much scratches like on the other gauge I have got. Okay, and actually this indicate valve connector is the same as the nowadays main engines on a vessel, so it still can be used in the future, and I hope to use it actually. Yeah, I might take this gauge to some combustion engine museum to operate it and to bring it on board a ship the next time I be on a vessel. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time.